the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already up. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry since the dinner, ain't waiting to come with the meal. Boy, I can't come with the meal. Mean I get money to blow, mean I get watches and diamonds and that's in my
I have a Honda Accord here. This one got hit in this right front corner. It's getting a new fender, a new bumper, a new headlight. And then I have to replace this piece of the structure right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start getting this one all cut apart. Alright, I went ahead and I fit the fender and the headlight because both of them mount up to this piece right here, so I want to make sure it's sitting exactly where it needs to be sitting. But everything looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and pull these back off and I'm going to weld that structural piece on. I have a Toyota RAV4 here. This one gets a good size quarter panel repair. Crushed down here and all throughout this area. So it's going to be a little bit of a project, but I think it'll come out really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and start working this one out right now.